Yeah. Uh, Screen share. Okay, fine. Hello, please mute yourself. Everyone mute yourself. Otherwise, I will remove. If okay, so we take care of it. Yeah. So we were on coding part. Uh, so if you are targeting means if mass recruitment companies, service-based companies like TCS, Wipro, Cognizant, or visit Tech Mahindra, again Infosys, visit your campus, then prepare arrays and string very well. Okay, you can prepare arrays and string from this Lauber ka sheet itself. Okay, there may be 50 to 60 problems on array and string. So solve all of them. आपके पास time है, you have time, you have 2 months. Okay, so utilize this time, and you don't have any college right now. Most of you may be over with your exams. आपका exams भी okay. Is my voice clear now? Anyone can reply in chat. uh, yeah, okay, fine, thank you, Rushi. uh, so yeah, so you can refer these 150 problems from the love paper sheet for the coding, to get excel in coding. And yes, yeah, so open your account on CodeShape, LeetCode, Gigs for Gigs. Gigs for Gigs also gives you like a platform to have competitions on coding. They have started from this year. Also, Gigs for Gigs is now a platform like CodeShape. They give you coding problems, and depending upon that, they give you some points, I guess. Okay, so you can refer Gigs for Gigs, HackerRank also. So yeah, what kind of questions are asked in the interviews? Okay, so the first question in the technical interview itself, whatever may be your like interview, whether is it HR interview or technical interview, it will start with your introduction. Okay, please mute yourself. Okay, so the first question is, tell me about yourself. In this question, you should include academics. Like academics means your CGPA, percentage of engineering, whatever is there. And then also your co-curricular activities, like if you have participated in some coding competitions, some different kind of academic related competitions, if you have presented some research paper in some conference. Okay, and if you have some achievements in extracurricular activities, like if you are sportsman and you have some medals, you can mention it, right? Yeah, who is okay, I will okay, fine. Please mute everyone, please mute yourself. Who is, or I can't okay, fine. Also, yeah, for the DSA problems, just a minute, I will mute everyone. Who is that person? I will remove directly. If yeah, Itachi, you are here. You didn't muted yourself. Okay, fine. Okay, our this point was going on. What kind of questions are asked in the interviews? So your first questions will be, tell me about yourself. In this question, you should include your academics, and again your co-curricular parts, your extracurricular. If you have some awards, if you have participated in some competitions, whatever you have done your projects, like many colleges take the mini project as well. So if you don't have some mini projects, so please go on GitHub, take some good projects from there and edit that projects. Okay, add some features into that projects with that reference, and please mention that project in your resume. Okay, means in my college we have near about 3 mini projects to show in our resume, without like without a BTech project. Okay, we have mini project in second year, 2 mini projects in second year, and 1 mini project in third year. So we can show at the time of placements, which come in the August month. So at least you should have 2 projects in your resume. Okay, now it's your responsibility. It's not your college responsibility that they will give you projects to complete. Okay, and what you should also mention whatever technologies you know, like you know C language, Python, Java. Again, if you know Angular, React, whatever this technology you know, IoT, you should mention this in your introduction. Again, coming to the technical questions. So interviewer can give you some snippet, and interviewer will ask you what is the output of this snippet. Okay, and also for good companies like investment banks and some other companies, startups which give you package above 7-8 LPA or even 6-5 LPA, which are not mass recruiter, they will surely ask you DSA problem in their interview. Okay, means most of the companies will ask you DSA problem. They will give you one problem. मतलब वो that people also search on the internet. They will go to the Gigs for Gigs website or any other website. They will search frequently asked question on Stack. Whatever question they like, they will just copy paste that question and put into the chat section, and they will tell you to solve that problem. Okay, so means to frame the question, to frame a DSA problem, you need a lot of brain. Okay, so uh, that is a difficult task. So people, interviewer, most of the times interviewer prefer to copy paste the questions from the internet itself. So ऐसा नहीं है कि आपके पास DSA के problems नहीं है already. Means whatever problems are already there on the internet, they will ask you the same problems in most of the 90% situation. Okay, so prepare them. Again, they will ask you SQL queries, deadlock, scheduling algorithms. These deadlock and scheduling algorithm from the operating system part, and TCP UDP. What is the difference between TCP UDP? What are the different network layers? OSI, TCP IP layer model. What is IP layer model? Again, what is the difference between HTTP protocol and HTTPS protocol? Okay, if you have mentioned computer networks in your resume. Again, if you have mentioned some project and which include database part, so they will also ask you, they will give you one schema to design one schema. What is primary key, foreign key, all kind of questions they will ask, okay, you in the interview. Again, they will ask you questions on OOPS concepts like what is abstraction, polymorphism, encapsulation. Okay, also they will ask you their examples. They may ask you to write one code. Okay, for if you they ask you abstraction definition and you give it correctly, they might ask you give the example of abstraction and write a code for abstraction. So at least prepare one object oriented language, at least one. Okay, made with C++ or Java. Okay, so prepare one of them. Well, C++ syntax is similar to C language, so it is easy as compared to Java. Again, you can refer Gigs for Gigs for most of the questions which are asked in on DSA, and same problems are repeated. As I told you, they don't take so much efforts to prepare questions on their own, and also interviewer don't set the problems by their own. Okay, they take from the internet. So remember this. Again, coming to the last topic, which is communication skills. Okay, so communication is very important. You know, if you can't, you are not able to express yourself properly, so obviously interviewer will not understand what you are telling him. Okay, so you will face many problems. So in the beginning, I had a very lot of problem because I never tried to speak in English till my third year. Okay, many students have like habit to speak in English or watch English web series. So if you are from such a circumstances, such a background, then it's not a problem. You should start like uh, putting efforts. Okay, you can watch English news, English movies with captions, and you can also watch like read English articles. Okay, and write in English wherever possible. If you are using WhatsApp, then put message in English. Okay, many actually, okay, I have seen many people who use Hindi or their local language on WhatsApp. So instead of this, use English now, right? Also you can speak in English with your colleagues. Okay, whenever you are on call. So take these small steps, and your communication will build up. Okay, basically confidence is very important. Like they don't expect fluent communication from yourself, but they expect confidence. Okay, so all these things are the part of communication itself. Okay, so now coming to the study material, we will share. My friend, my colleague Sushant Agone has prepared one very good presentation on this study material. He had added all the links there, so we will share that PDF with you. And now I am from myself, from this presentation I am open for doubts. So if you have any doubts, you can ask. You can unmute yourself and you can ask. And also please mention your doubt in the chat section also. Yeah, you can ask your doubts. Anyone here? Okay, I will actually start from the beginning in the chat section. Okay.
Hello, can I ask?
Yeah. Go ahead.
What about DQ?
DQ.
Yeah.
DQ comes in like DSN, right?
Yeah.
Actually, till now I didn't came across any question on DQ. Okay. Uh, yes. So yeah, there will be some like extraordinary topics. So you don't need to care about them. मतलब अगर आप सारे टॉपिक्स अगर देखोगे डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स में डायनामिक देयर इज अ डायनामिक प्रोग्रामिंग आल्सो इन द डेटा स्ट्रक्चर बट डायनामिक प्रोग्रामिंग आस्क इन Goldman Sachs, Deutsche Bank, very few companies which gives you very high package which may not come in your college like Google, Amazon, Microsoft. They will ask you on dynamic programming. But before preparing for dynamic programming, you must know what is like you should be able to solve questions on stack, array, queue, right? On linked list, tree. So prefer these frequently asked topics first, then go for some exceptional topics. Okay. Is your doubt clear? आपका doubt clear हुआ है क्या?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay,
Thank you.
fine. So I am going through the chat section. I will start from the first. So please don't ask now. I will clear from the chat section. I have selected for digital. You can view my chat section, right? You can. Is my chat section visible to you? Whatever screen I am sharing. Anyone can reply. Okay, yeah. Okay, fine. Okay. Just a minute. Okay. Yeah. So the first question was, I have selected for digital specialist engineer role interview for Infosys. Can you suggest me how to prepare for the interview? So whatever I told you in this interview, prepare them, means prepare coding snippet, prepare coding questions on strings, array. Like Infosys come under a service-based company, right? So prepare questions on array, string. Also, you should also know database some part. So it will highlight you in the interview, and they will prefer you if you know some core concepts also from DSA, from DBMS operating system. Then they will prefer you on some candidate which comes from mechanical or different non-CSIT background. Okay, if you come from CSIT background, then you should know core subjects. So ही कुछ फायदा है, then it is beneficial that you are from CSIT to that company, right? Otherwise, what is the use if you don't know core concepts? Then there is no difference between non-CSIT student and CSIT student, right? Okay, is .NET having scope? Okay, so please don't ask such a questions because .NET, yeah, every language has some scope, some merits, demerits. You can search on the internet, but this they don't ask you .NET questions unless and until you mention it in the resume. Okay, so we will talk in general. Okay, again, yeah. Can you please share the list which company, when and which test we have to apply? Okay, तो अभी इसमें कैसा होता है, different companies visit on campus for on campus placements at different times. So for on campus, you have to prepare from you have to apply from your college software itself. Okay, But for off campus, we have Instagram page. You can search brain_sharpener on Instagram. There is we have page brain sharpener, and we update off campus updates there. Okay, so I will keep updating all the companies ka drive link on the Instagram page. Fine. Can you please share the list which companies? Okay, repeated question. Can you please share the list which company when? Okay, okay. Repeated. I am from ENTC. Uh, uh, I am from ENTC. I have knowledge of C++. What else should I learn? Okay, you are from ENTC. In our college, ENTC people also have data structure part in their syllabus. I don't know about your college. So prepare data structure, arrays, string, and from data structure, prepare at least introductory part of stack queue. It will see what happens now when you say I am from ENTC and you say I also know linked list, I know stack queue. So you will be highlighted. मतलब interviewer will think यार ENTC का है बंदा. Okay, this girl is from ENTC. She didn't had a data structure part in syllabus till that person has prepared, this student has prepared for the DSA. So it will obviously highlight yourself. Okay, you already know C++, prepare for OOPS concept also. Okay, and prepare string arrays question very well. Coding logic must be developed for everyone. Okay, I have some doubts regarding campusing preparation. Can I call and ask in personal? Okay, so uh, I will share my WhatsApp number with all of you. You can message me. Okay, and I will request you, all of you, to ask me on Instagram page. Okay, we have Brain Sharpener page on Instagram. Please ask me in the by messaging me. Okay, do DM and ask me your questions. I will share in the story also, so that others will also get uh, means अगर किसी को दूसरों को भी प्रॉब्लम से सेम क्वेश्चन है, then that question means there that doubt will be solved. Okay, then can you please tell us some ideas on which we should make projects? So actually there is not a fixed topic for the project. You can uh, do a project on any topic. Like you can do project on computer network ka part. Like I had a 2 project on computer networks. One was packet sniffing project. Like agar if you are in a present in a network, then you can track all the websites accessed by the host. Let's consider that we have school. In school we have 100 students. Then whatever websites students are accessing, it will be traced. Okay, and it will be shown to the uh, host or admin in a user-friendly manner. It don't need command line interface. So that I have developed. Means you can do project in any field. Okay, it should reflect your coding knowledge. For that, I have used Python. I did various concepts of computer networks. So इसमें क्या हो रहा है? Projects तो भी still I will say you that prefer such a project that will reflect the knowledge of 2-3 subjects. Like it should reflect the knowledge of database, it should reflect the knowledge of HTML, CSS, and one coding language in backend like Python, Java, C++, any language, and some core concept like computer network. अगर ऐसा कुछ कर सको, operating system पर भी बहुत अच्छे लोग करते हैं project. ऐसा कुछ नहीं, project you can do project on any topic. Okay, but that project should be done by yourself. छापो मत, छाप रहे हो तो अच्छे से समझ के लो. Okay, understand that project. Okay, that is important. When will you gonna send those 450 questions? Right after this meeting. Okay, I will mail you that Excel sheet, don't worry. Is it okay if I haven't done any course? Okay, Coursera courses. Okay, fine, very good question. So I will suggest all of you to open your LinkedIn account. Okay, and make connections on the LinkedIn account. LinkedIn account will obviously benefit yourself in the future after for on-campus placement, for off-campus placement, for referral purposes, and keep doing some Coursera courses. Like there are and some good courses on LinkedIn also of 2 or 3 hours, 4 hours. So you can do that course in 2 to 3 days and put that certificate on the LinkedIn. People will like your post. Your connections will increase. Okay, so this will help you in a long term, not not immediately, but in a long term. Yeah, there is no problem if you have not done any course on the Coursera. but your knowledge should be reflected. Agar aisa hai, if you have done 10 courses on DSA, but you should don't know how to write a code. If that person interviewer give you one question on stack, okay, implement a stack using Q, okay, and you can't do it properly. So what is the use of that 10 courses? So courses are beneficial, but your knowledge also get reflected. Okay, learning is important. Is it compulsory to know at least one technology like Android or JavaScript environment like Node and Express? Okay, so yeah, it is also a good question. See what happens now. If you have good knowledge of your core subjects, if you have good knowledge of DSA, your coding language, if your coding logic is good, okay, then these technologies doesn't matter. Okay, actually, I didn't know JavaScript. Right now in my company, I need JavaScript. So from last 2 to 3 days, I am learning JavaScript. Until now, I have completed one course, and um, I know the JavaScript up to like full extent. So learning a language is not a big task. Only syntax changes. Other logic is same. JavaScript का logic same है. You have for loop, while loop in all the languages. Python, JavaScript. Okay, and this technology doesn't matter. Your logic, actually they check for the logic. Technology is a good, it will highlight, but it is not as a entry barrier. It will not play as an entry barrier for your to you. Okay, am I asking about like, okay, should we put certificates that we have but we don't remember anything about them? Okay, like we have very few knowledge about that. Okay, okay, fine. Yeah, you can put it into the resume, but always remember, if you are putting it into the resume, interviewer will surely ask you, or most probably interviewer can ask you on that topic. Okay, if the interviewer know that topic, if interviewer know JavaScript, okay, and you have mentioned JavaScript ka course in your resume, but you don't know, you are not remembering JavaScript ka knowledge right now. So what interview will think, अरे मुझे I know JavaScript, so I will ask you JavaScript, okay, but you don't know JavaScript, so मैं क्या बोल, I will think, what interviewer will think, ये बंदा मुझे मतलब मूर्ख बना रहा है. Okay, this person is lying me. Okay, so that should not be the case. So I will suggest you to only put those certificates uh, which knowledge you know right now. Means जो भी courses का knowledge अभी आपको है, वही courses resume में डालो. Am I audible? Can anyone please reply? You can unmute yourself.
Yeah, you are audible.
Fine,
You are
fine.
audible.
I guess all of you maybe enjoying this doubt clearing session, because everyone has these doubts. I had also these doubts at the starting of final year, at the end of third year. Okay, fine. As a fresher, shall we suppose to join MNC company or startup company? देखो भाई लोगों, you are a fresher. Right now, market situation is not so much good. Still, the condition of IT companies is good. Okay, actually, in our batch, the recruitment percentage has gone down in all the colleges, in all IITs and NITs. So don't be choosy between MNC company, between service-based company, between product-based company, between startup company. Okay, you can, so look according to your situation. If you are like you have 20 companies in line, okay, in a queue in your college on campus, then you can be a choosy. Okay, nahi, nahi bhai, I will only apply for product based company, or I will only apply for startup because there is a good learning scope in startup. So I will uh, suggest you not to be choosy. Okay, as a fresher, you can apply in any company, but just if you have scope to apply in product based companies other than like which I have other than service based company, go for product based companies, startups, small firms where you uh, will get more learning. Okay, as a fresher, learning is important for you. Okay, so consider both the points, package also and a learning environment also. Okay, if for same package, okay, for 6 LPA package, if there are two companies, So prefer the one which where you will get a better learning environment. Okay, and regarding this, you can search on Glassdoor. You may be like you may know about Glassdoor website. Like you can search about working environment of any company there. Okay, what is the learning, what is the future growth? You can search on internet on Glassdoor. Okay, fine. Then can you suggest any projects related to C++ that I can add in my CV? अरे यार, okay, ऐसा नहीं होता है. I am not anyone to suggest you some projects. Okay, as I told earlier, you can do projects on any topic. Okay. Yeah, just one tip here. Don't like include frequently done projects. मतलब what happen na? Most of the students do same IoT ka project that we will have one camera outside our home. Okay, it will do image processing. Means same kind of now machine learning is trending. So people do same project like which is available on GitHub and which most of the students put in their CV. Okay, so what is new in your project? Uniqueness is very important in your project. Okay, can you suggest any good YT channel for YouTube channel for DSA? Okay, so Love Babbar channel is there, but I don't know Love Babbar sir teaches DSA or not. Abdul Bari is there. Okay, everyone can subscribe Abdul Bari sir ka YouTube channel. They have uploaded almost 84 videos in a one playlist. Data structures and algorithms. Okay, so complete that playlist. Abdul Bari. Okay, then Trevor TUF. Okay, I'm not understanding what is this. Okay, yes. Okay, anyone more questions? Any more questions are there? You can unmute yourself and ask now. I have almost completed all the questions from the chat section. Yeah. Am I audible now? Yeah, okay, something is there in chat section. Okay, fine. Yes, okay. Okay, fine. If you have more questions, you can ask in the chat section. I think I have answered all the questions. पूछो यार, पूछो, मतलब मजा आ रहा है मुझे आंसर करने के लिए. Keep asking. Okay, I guess no more questions. Okay, can we can we contact you on WhatsApp when we get stuck? Okay, fine. You can contact me on WhatsApp. I am posting my WhatsApp number here. But see what happened now? Many students ask me to help in their aptitude ka test, so I will not do that. Okay, I will not do that. And also I am working in a company, so whenever I will get, I will answer your problem query on that time, mostly in the evening. Okay, after 8 p.m. Suggest any AWS course. Yeah, I have not done any AWS course till now. I prefer YouTube channels for any technology to learn technology. Uh, Go to Coursera, Udemy. What you can ask these questions, this type of questions on Quora. You will get good answers also. Yeah, okay, fine. Also, again, if anyone have more questions, please ask in the chat section. Yeah, so let's everyone can unmute yourself and ask question orally. Ask question orally. I hope I have answered your all questions from the chat section. Okay, questions are coming. I am doing Python as a beginner. Good. Fine. Complete Python in next 15 to 20 days. Syntax का ही problem है यार. Only syntax differs. Okay. So whenever you are learning any language now, practice coding. Okay. Like you can complete all the syntax of JavaScript from any 5 to 6 hour course. Okay, but that is not useful unless and until you try your hands on JavaScript by your own. Okay. Can you suggest me better tutorial channel on YouTube? Am I from Okay, I am from mechanical background. So brother, it's I am happy to see you here. Like you are eagerly here to learn. It is a good thing. Uh, okay, better. There is no such a better YouTube channel. All YouTube channel teaches you from the beginning. मतलब even if you are not from CSIT ना, okay. अगर आपने engineering भी नहीं किया है, if you have not done your engineering, then also you can take a placement in Amazon also. Okay, so that is not a difficulty. Like there is not any kind of entry barrier. You can start from basics. All the YouTube channels teaches you from the basics, so your branch will not be barrier there. Okay, I hope. Okay, fine. Again, any more questions? Okay, okay, aram se do. Okay, if we start today, then approximately how much time will we need cover all the DSA? Okay, good question. Okay, fine, very fine. It depends upon you, your dedication, your pace. Still you can complete in 20 days also. Okay, thank you sir, great session. Is CDAC is a good option, so anyone can please tell me the long form of CDAC? I don't know the long form of CDAC. uh, okay, okay, thanks. Are there any? Okay, fine, 1 minute. Let's go to the chat section. Yeah, you can ask orally. Let's ask orally. Okay, one by one. Who is this Boblan? You can ask. Same questions you ask orally. Because you कॉन्फिडेंस के लिए पूछ रहा हूँ मैं, मतलब इंटरव्यू में भी बोलना आना चाहिए ना. हेलो, या गो हेड. Who was there?
Off-campus updates.
What? Off-campus updates. Okay, so you will get off-campus updates on my Instagram page, Brain Sharpener. Okay. Again, anyone else?
Okay.
Okay, anyone else?
No. Thank you.
Okay. Is my screen
Great
visible?
session. Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay, just a minute. Okay, fine. Okay, CDAC. Let me go to the chat section 1 minute. Are there any free websites? All websites are free, yaar. Nobody takes money from you for learning purposes. Yeah, I will also, one point I will share, if I get any free courses, or many times there is some promo code. Okay, on the courses, if you apply that promo code, you get that course for free from Coursera or Udemy. So I will share such a kind of information on my Insta page. So follow that. I will, and keep checking their stories. Okay, and post frequently. Any more questions? Now please unmute yourself and then ask, because I am not able to like see the chats here. Okay. How can we get off-campus updates? Why? Okay, okay, I have answered this question. So that's the reason I'm putting on chat. Okay. When you joined as a software development engineer, do you started working on any project? Yeah, actually, in every company they give you first training. Okay. Right now we are learning. I just joined 10 days before. No, 7 days before. So we are now learning JavaScript, Node.js. Okay. So first they give you some resources to learn things, and then they give you projects. Okay. To make my resume better, are there any free websites? So I will suggest you to just take templates from the free website, but don't give your personal information to any website to make your resume. Make your resume by your own. Okay. So if you need to make it attractive, put all the Coursera, Udemy courses, LinkedIn courses which have you completed in your resume. Mention your 2-3 awards. Okay, not all the awards from your school time. Okay, major awards. If you have some major awards in engineering also, you can mention them in your resume. Okay. So awards make difference. Okay, and in many companies, your knowledge, technical knowledge doesn't matter. For them, how much you can express yourself. Okay, from resume, from interview, your presentation skills, your communication matters. Okay, mostly for the finance companies. Finance means fintech companies like Citibank, Credit Suisse. They check your presentation skills also. Okay, how do you present yourself in resume, in interview, and what is your personality? What is your how you behave as a team player? These things matters a lot. Okay, so improve these things also to make my okay. Any more questions? Okay, fine, fine. Thank you. Okay, fine. Uh, yeah. Can you please turn on your camera? I just want to take one screenshot. Matlab, whatever may be your present situation, you can turn on your camera if you want. Yeah, nobody. Okay, fine. Okay, yeah. Please turn on your camera. रास्ते पे भी होगे. If you are on road also, you please turn on your camera. Okay, just a minute. Okay, fine. Thanks. Thank you all for joining the session. You can ask doubts. You can ask doubts on Instagram on my WhatsApp number anytime. Okay, and I will also share the resources wala PDF with you all. Okay, on your email. Okay, fine. So can we end our session here? Okay, fine. Okay, we will end our session. Okay, fine. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir. It's been a great
Okay.
session.
Yeah, thanks.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Also, yeah, again, one point, I will upload all this session recording on the YouTube also. So if you any of your friend have missed today's session, you can share the link with